Hello there friends, my name is Nikhil and welcome to Amba.com. Today we will take the information regarding USB ports not working on Mac, how to fix them. In case a particular USB port or all USB ports are not working on your MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, Mac Mini or iMac, you should be able to fix the problem using troubleshooting steps as provided in this video. USB ports not working in Windows 10. The USB ports on a MacBook can stop working or become unresponsive due to various reasons ranging from minor technical glitches and incorrect USB port preferences to other reasons. Unless the USB ports is damaged, you should be able to fix the problem using the following steps as shown in this video. First, power off and restart. In many cases, the problem of USB ports not working on Mac is due to minor software glitches, and this can be fixed by the simple act of restarting your computer. Click on the Apple icon as shown in this picture in top menu bar and select restart option in the drop down menu. After Mac restarts, you might be pleasantly surprised to see the inactive USB port working properly. You can try the second step also if USB ports are not working. Second step is plug another USB device. Make sure that the problem is indeed with the USB port and not with the USB device that you are trying to connect to Mac. To confirm, plug in another device into the same USB port and see if it is working. If the new device is also not being recognized, it confirms that the problem is with the USB port. You can see the third step also. Check USB port preferences. Open the Finder on your Mac, click on the Finder tab in top menu bar and select Preferences in the drop down menu. On Finder Preferences screen, switch to General tab and select External Disk option. Next, switch to Sidebar tab and make sure both external disk and CDs, DVDs and iOS devices options are selected. After this, reconnect the USB device to your Mac and see if the USB port is now working or not. You can use the fourth step. Force quit apps. Press Command plus Option plus Escape keys at the same time and this will bring up the Force Quit application screen. Then select the apps that are open and click on Force Quit button. Tip: you can use Command plus A shortcut to select all open apps at once. After quitting apps, remove and reinsert the USB device and see if it is now working. We can use install updates. Certain features on Mac can temporarily stop working or get stuck due to a pending macOS update. To fix this, click on Apple logo in top menu bar and select System Preferences in the drop-down menu. On the next screen, click on Software Update icon. Install updates if available. If the above 5 steps are not working well, then you can use 6th step, reset NVRAM or PRAM. The NVRAM, the full form of NVRAM is non-volatile RAM and the PRAM parameter RAM. Store users' preferences and settings on your Mac and resetting them might be the solution for USB ports problems on your Mac. The steps to reset NVRAM and PRAM are easy but vary depending on whether your Mac is powered by Intel processor or Apple M1 processor and also if your Mac is equipped with Apple T2 security chip. You can find the steps to reset PRAM and NVRAM for all types of mobiles models of Mac in this guide. The guide is mentioned in the description. Also, you can use the Reset SMC System Management Controller. Sometimes the problem is due to a change or corruption in system setting and this can be fixed by resetting the SMC. However, the steps to reset SMC vary depending on the type of model of your Mac or whether or not it has an Apple T2 security chip. Thank you very much my friends for listening me and watching my video. Please do subscribe and please be considered, please do visit amba.com. Thank you very much my friends. Have a nice day ahead.